Hello. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to customize your homepage button. On the left panel, click on Home, then select Button. The customization panel will open on the right. First, choose the button style using the Shape option. Several styles are available. Next, enter the text for your button. You can adjust the text size using the slider. Set the text alignment. Choose a text color and adjust opacity if needed. Now customize the button color. Select a color from the palette, or paste your brand color code. You can also control button opacity. In the design section, you can adjust border radius to make the corners more rounded, vertical margin, horizontal margin. If you want to reset your settings, click the green reset button. Your homepage button is now fully customized. See you in the next tutorial inside the PixWorkshop.